being a Marvel fan, I thought I would show you some of my Marvel model kits. And, ooh, let's see, we'll start with this big guy, Hulk. This is obviously a recast of I don't know what, but picked this up a couple of years ago, and he's done using airbrush, sponges, and it's a brilliant kit. It's big, but the nice thing is that it does stand up all by himself, because a lot of these bigger kits can be quite, you know, dangerous to stand up. He's got a really good snarl on his face there. This lives downstairs in the living room. Like I say, the vein work is brilliant on there. And I'm quite proud of the... It looks more blue on the camera, but it is purple for his trousers. What's left of them. He is a very big kit. It's vinyl. I don't have to put any fillers in him. Gives a twirl. You see, I don't always finish the backs because I get bored and run out of paint. But yeah, he's definitely one of my favourites. And yeah, so let's see. And next we have this, which was I got this off a Man from Japan off eBay. Sorry, eBay. It is an original sculpt. He does a lot of sculpts. He's not on there now, so I wasn't last time I checked. He did dusting, but quite a nice kit. This camera doesn't really do it justice. He's a really nice kit. I think it's sort of like not quite the Extremis armour, but it's close. It's resin as well, so it's quite heavy, but the base is actually sort of got a... came with a pin. It was already stuck in his foot. I think it's in that foot. So yeah. You can say it's a very nice... If anybody has an idea of what version of the Iron Man armour this is, so I just built some on it at some point, which maybe I've dusted before I started. Yeah. So yeah, painted with, it was car paint. I have actually found somewhere, because I wanted to do it with the same thing that he has, the Iron Man in the films painted with, cherry red. And I've now found somewhere I can get it from, so this may get a repaint soon. If it does, I'll let you see. Though it does look quite like the one behind him there. So yeah. This guy had some great things. He had a Colossus, which was to scale with this, so you can imagine how big that was, but this was quite expensive. And I had to have this. The others, yeah. So one more. Finish on the classic look Iron Man. So yeah, picked this one up also off of eBay. And if you want to know who it was, leave a comment underneath and ask me, because I'll find out for you. I don't think I'm allowed to advertise on him, but yeah, definitely another favourite. Cost about 80 quid, but definitely a favourite. I always like the classic armour. This is a very good version of it. It's resin, Does weigh a bit. Usually stands on the shelf over there. All these are painted with acrylics, so yeah. So if you've enjoyed this video and you like what you see and you want to see more, do let me know. Drop me a line, leave me a comment, leave me feedback, leave me subscriptions. Yay! I hope to see you all soon. Have a great day and a great night. See ya.